Want to create your own amazing texture brushes and effects in Adobe Illustrator to enhance your artwork in seconds? Let's master the scatter brush today. So hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of learning digital art. So in this video we will learn how to create custom brushes in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive in. First thing you need to know, if you are a beginner, why do we need to create these brushes and how you can apply this texture to your artwork in different ways. We can use scatter brushes for texturing, shading and dynamic effects. Try adjusting the random setting for a more natural look. See how these brushes enhance your artwork. So are you ready to create one with me? First we will draw a dot and create a pattern like this. Then we select all, go to the object, transform and click transform ease to open this panel. Set scale to 30% for both horizontal and vertical. Use the same values for the move settings. In the options section, enable random and transform object. Go to the window menu and select brushes. Click on new brush, choose scatter brush and click on OK. The scatter brush option window will appear. Leave the settings as they are and click OK again. Now let's apply this brush to an object. Select the object, activate the draw inside mode and apply the scatter brush. Now we will create a new brush following the same process, but this time we will experiment a little, changing its angle, enabling scatter corners and scaling strokes and effects. After creating this second scatter brush, click on this brush in the brush panel. This will allow us to apply this new amazing brush. Now let's apply the brush to the object. When we click on the brush, the scatter brush options will open. We will reduce the brush size, set the spacing to 0 and click OK and apply it to stroke. This will give us a perfect scatter brush. To get the perfect texture, try changing the artwork along the path by adjusting its color, weight and opacity. And just like that, we have created a pro level effects in the second. What will you use this for? Let me know in the comments. And show some love if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Illustrator tricks.